Genesis 1 verse 21, and God created great whales and every living creature that moveth, and which the water brought forth abundantly after their kind, and every winged fowl after his kind. And God saw that it was good. 22. And God what? Blessed them. So you see, it was good. Proceed the blessing. Okay. God saw that it was good and God blessed them. So now let's look at the word it was good. It means God was happy about what he's created. He was excited about it. He was satisfied with the view. So his countenance was what? Satisfactory. Okay? His countenance was lightened up and happy. And that, out of that joy, out of that excitement, out of that fulfillment, a word was what? Released. Hallelujah.